Welcome to the Flat Rock Playhouse Gardens. I'm Steve Pettis, Henderson County Extension Agent. Henderson County Extension Master Gardener volunteers have been taking care of this garden since 2008. Master Gardener volunteer Tamsin Allpress approached the leaders of the Flat Rock Playhouse and wondered why the gardens weren't better, and they encouraged her to make them better. So she started in 2008 all by herself, and she started in the flower beds in front of the house. And since then, the garden has grown and grown and grown, and has become a destination for people just to visit the garden.
You know, when I first arrived in this area back in 2004, everybody had told me that you've got to go see the shows at the Flat Rock Playhouse. And I sort of asked, where is it? And I drove past and I said, that's it. So when I was approached by a friend that she knew that they were wanting to put flowers, annuals around the Lowndes House just to brighten it up, and would I do that? I said, yes, I would. And then when I came to see them, they said to me, well, what about the rest of the place? I said, the rest of the place is just what I want to do.
I remember when the property in front of the Lowndes House was a volleyball court, just with sand and ants and a net. And to see what it has become over time, and especially under the amazing leadership and expertise and passion of Tamsin, Allpress, just in the last decade, what this property has been turned into is nothing short of a botanical garden, in my opinion. It's stunning.
One of the focuses of the Henderson County Extension Master Gardener volunteers here at the Flat Rock Playhouse have been native plants. Pink lady slippers are one of those plants you can't transplant out of the wild. They have to occur naturally in an area, and these just popped up in the garden, and now they're starting to seed around in the native plant garden.
We have started to redo this garden space. There were old hydrangeas that were not in good shape, and so we have prepared the soil and got it ready for a new planting.
Tamsin is amazing, the master gardeners. I don't want to think about what this property would look like without them. Our gratitude is insufficient in words, but it is great and it is deep. And her passion, her vision is remarkable.
I have a passion for this garden. I know I can't give it up. Just to see the transformation and to see the beauty for each season is just so satisfying. Yes, I am totally passionate about it. And it almost controls my life. And I have no complaints about that. It's perfect. It's just what I want. I love it.
Thank you for taking this tour of the Flat Rock Playhouse Gardens. On behalf of Henderson County Cooperative Extension and the Henderson County Extension Master Gardener volunteers, we wish you happy gardening.